Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir. But what are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Sandeep Kaur.
Sandeep Kaur. From where are you?
Basically, I hail from small village Rongla, which is under district Patiala.
Okay, may I see your ID please?
Yes, sir. Here is it.
Thank you. It's Sandeep Kaur 260320004. That's fine. So Sandeep, today I'm going to ask the introductory pattern, means we are going to perform here task 1, or I want that you definitely give your answer in a good way or try to explain in a well way. That's okay?
Yes.
So without wasting your time, just explain your hometown please.
Basically, I hail from small village Rongla. There are multifarious facilities are available, such as good transportation system as well as good education system.
Okay. Do you love your hometown?
Yes, I like my hometown so much because I am living there since my childhood, and I have a huge attachment with this hometown.
What are the famous places in your hometown, or speak loudly?
Okay, sir. There are multifarious places, but if I talk about a famous, which is a temple, in my village there are 2 temples which are very famous, and oftenly most of the individual like to visit there for worship the God.
Okay. In your hometown, do you live with your parents?
Yes, I am living with my parents.
Okay. So, what places do you think are often crowded?
Honestly speaking, there are so many places which are crowded. Firstly, if I talk about marriage palaces as well as some shopping malls, there are so many people are come for shopping as well as enjoy the moment with their companions and relatives.
Okay, that's fine. Do you love to go to crowded places?
Yes, most of the time I like to go crowded places to spend time with my friends, because crowded places are that kind of places. There I meet with the new people and I can enhance my knowledge.
Are you introvert or extrovert?
Well, I am an extrovert person and I like to talk with new kind of people, and I like to explore new places by going there.
Okay. So if I like to talk about technology, means computer, do you have your own computer?
No, I don't have my own computer, but whenever I have to do my work relating to study on that time, I oftenly try to use my cousin's computer.
Okay. How much time do you spend on computer?
That I earlier mentioned, I don't have my own, so on the time of work, I spend my time on the computer.
Okay. What do you do mostly on the computer?
Most of the time I like to play some games with my friend, and whenever I have to do some assignment related to my study on that time, I also prefer to use computer.
What do you think, means computers are better or laptop, and why?
Well, there is a huge difference between laptop and computer. There is no doubt we can do multifarious tasks on the computer as well as laptop, but we do not carry our computer with us whenever we go to outside. However, if I talk about the laptop, we can use while traveling.
Very good, very good. So, do you love to look at the sky?
Honestly speaking, I like to look at the sky because I find it most peaceful, and most of the time of the night I prefer to see the sky and I prefer to count the stars.
Okay, means counting stars is your hobby?
No, I do not consider it my hobby, but I think it relaxes my mind and it helps to me rejuvenate my mind.
That's fine. If I'm going to talk about, have you ever visited any beach?
Honestly speaking,
नहीं, please. See, any ever honestly speaking, बार-बार हर एक question तो. I recommend you, मतलब क्या है कि पहला भी honestly speaking आ गया, फिर honestly speaking आ गया, ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ, repetition ਹੈ ਤੇ band score ਨਾਲ ਦੀ ਨਾਲ ਕੱਟ ਜਾਣਗੇ। ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਰਸਨਲੀ ਸਲਾਹ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਹਰੇਕ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਮਾਨਦਾਰੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਦਿਖਾਣੀ ਹੈਗੀ, ਹਰੇਕ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਸਰਟਨਲੀ ਸਰ, ਆਫ ਕੋਰਸ, ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਜਾਂ ਸ਼ੋਰਲੀ, ਅਨਡਾਊਟਲੀ, ਮਤਲਬ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਰਡ ਨੇ, ਆਬਵੀਅਸਲੀ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰੋ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ, ਤੇ ਹੋਨੈਸਟਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਦੈਟਸ ਕਾਲਡ ਓਨੈਸਟਲੀ, ਹਾਹੀ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰੀਏ ਇਸ ਲਈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਚਲੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੁਬਾਰਾ ਹੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਹੈਵ ਯੂ ਐਵਰ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟਡ ਐਨੀ ਬੀਚ?
Frankly speaking, I never ever visited any beach because my parents do not allow me to go outside with friends, and around my hometown there is no one beach.
Okay, in future if you will get chance, then would you prefer to go on beach?
Definitely in future, if I will get a chance, I definitely try go there and explore their movement, as well as I can collect the memories.
That's okay. Let me know about this. What kind of the activities do people do on the beach?
It's a depend on person preference. Most of the youngsters like to go there and do some leisure activities such as playing football, as well as they like to do swimming.
Okay. Do you want to learn how to swim?
Yes, definitely. I like to learn the swimming skill, because I think it is mandatory for all, because in some situation if we comfortable.
Take deep breaths. No issues. कट ना करियो, डायरेक्टली चैनल दो, बिल्कुल क्लियर है, कोई इशू नहीं, ठीक है। अगेन क्वेश्चन मैं पूछ सकता हूँ, डू यू वांट टू लर्न हाउ टू स्विम?
Yes, definitely. I like to learn swimming because I think it makes a career.
That's okay. So, what do you think? Means learning swimming is the easiest or toughest task?
It's depend on person. Some people who started learning swimming since their childhood, they find it easy, and if I talk about adult, if they want to learn swimming, so they find it difficult.
That's okay. Have you ever given an expensive gift to anyone?
Not one time. Most of the time I like to give a gift to someone which is good and expensive, and if I talk about last gift which I gave to my cousin, it was a branded watch.
Okay, it was a branded watch. Do you love to purchase watches for yourself?
Definitely, I like to purchase watches for myself because I am fond of wearing different kind of watches, and I have 4 pair of watches.
Okay, that's okay. Are you health conscious person? Do you prefer to go to gym?
Yes, I am a health conscious person, but nowadays I do not have much time, so I avoid go to gym.
Okay, describe any phobia, means a fear that you have.
If I talk about a phobia, so I have a phobia to speak in front of others for myself, and I can improve it.
But these days you are speaking very well, huh? So you have improved a lot. So do you prefer to read books?
Most of the time I like to read books, and whenever I get leisure time, I prefer to read different kind of books, including comedy books as well as some fashionable magazines.
That's okay. Do you apply anything on your hair, means any kind of the shampoo do you apply on your hair?
Most of the time when I wash my hair, I apply shampoo on my hair, as well as sometime I apply conditioner on my hair to become them smooth.
Okay, what is a famous shampoo in your country?
I cannot say, because there are various kind of shampoo which are good company. But if I talk about a famous shampoo which nowadays I use, it is a Matrix.
Okay, it's a Matrix. That's okay. few questions. Should I ask more? Nobody. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
That's very fine. Describe your mobile phone.
Now I have a Samsung A13 mobile phone which I received from my friend on my last birthday.
Any of the fruit that you like most?
I like so many fruit because I am a health conscious person and I like to eat in morning as well as in evening, but most of the time I like to eat apple.
Okay. Do you prefer to take chocolate?
Definitely, I think chocolates are my favorite, and most of the time I like to have dark chocolate because it helps me to reduce my stress.
Okay, that's okay. Chocolate also gives energy.
Yes.
Okay. Do you prefer to ride bicycle?
No, I do not have any kind of skills to ride bicycle because I have a phobia.
Okay, that's okay. In future, do you want to do any adventure task?
Yes, I think adventure makes person famous in all around the world, and in future, if I will get chance, I definitely want to do.
Okay. Do you prefer paragliding? Means jump from the plane with a parachute.
Yes, but I don't try it before. But in future, if I will get a chance, I definitely, because I do not have any kind of phobia to height, so I can do it.
Any of the brand, including clothes, shoes, or watches, anything, which brand do you love most?
It's difficult to say, but most of the time I prefer to purchasing from the Zara brand because I find it expensive, but they give the quality product.
They gives नहीं होता, they give आएगा, ठीक है? Okay. Let me know about your favorite car.
Nowadays I don't have any car, but most of the time I like a Fortuner car because in Fortuner there are various kind of feature including the voice as well as speeds.
That's okay. Let me know about if you will get chance to fly in a plane free of cost ticket, then where would you fly?
That I earlier mentioned in the starting of the introductory part, I want to go Canada, and I think if I will get a chance, I want to go there and explore that city.
Thank you very much. You really performed well. किते मिस्टेक्स हैगियां सीगियां पर कोई वरी नहीं हैगा. सब तो मेन चीज़ मैं कैमरे के दसना चाहुंदा कुछ चीज़ां ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਆਪਾਂ टास्क 1 ਚ ਇੰਪਰੂਵ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਲਾਈਕ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਰੇਕ ਵਾਰ ਗੋ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਈ ਵਾਂਟ ਟੂ ਗੋ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ, ਗੋ ਟੂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖਿਓ, ਗੋ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਟੂ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਹੀ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ. ਕਿਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਜੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਗੋ ਟੂ ਕੈਨੇਡਾ, ਗੋ ਟੂ ਪਟਿਆਲਾ, ਗੋ ਟੂ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ. ਬਟ ਜੇ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਵਾਕ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਗੋ ਫॉर ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਵਾਕ, ਤੇ ਜੇ ਪਿਕਨਿਕ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਗੋ ਔਨ ਪਿਕਨਿਕ. ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਟੂ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ. ਤੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟਲੀ ਗੱਲ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਓਨੈਸਟਲੀ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਰੈਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਹਰ ਵਾਰ ਨਵਾਂ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰੋ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਆਫ ਕੋਰਸ, ਆਬਵੀਅਸਲੀ, ਸ਼ੋਰਲੀ, ਸਰਟਨਲੀ, ਅਨਡਾਊਟਲੀ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਇਹ ਵਰਡ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਕੋਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛਾ ਦੇਣਗੇ. ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮਿਨਰ ਅੱਗੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਆਫ ਕੌਨਫੀਡੈਂਸ ਬੋਲਿਓ, ਬਹੁਤ ਦਿਲ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਬੋਲਿਓ ਤੇ ਡਰਿਓ ਨਾ, ਤੇ ਟਰਾਈ ਕਰਿਓ ਆਪਣੇ ਜੈਸਟਰਸ ਬੋਲਣ. ਮਤਲਬ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਦੇਣੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਇਕੱਲਾ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਬੋਲੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ देयर आर so many, try करो well there are so many places, मतलब एग्जामिनर को लगे that you are very interested. ठीक है, ਤੇ ਟਾਸਕ 1 ਦੇ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਬੈਂਡ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ? 2 ਬੈਂਡ ਸਕੋਰ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਆ. ਤੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਟਾਸਕ 1 ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੰਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਹੈਗਾ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਾਇਨੇ ਕਰ ਦੇਗਾ. ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗੁੱਡ ਲੱਕ ਕਹੂੰਗਾ. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਨੇੜੇ ਹੈ ਨਾ?
ਯੈਸ ਸਰ.
ਕਦੋਂ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ?
10 ਸਤੰਬਰ ਸਰ.
ਚਲੋ ਜੀ, ਮੇਰੀ ਤਰਫ ਤੋਂ ਗੁੱਡ ਲੱਕ, ਤੇ ਉਮੀਦ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੰਗਾ ਪਰਫਾਰਮ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਬੈਂਡ ਸਕੋਰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਓ, ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਪੂਰਾ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ. That's it. Thank you so much.